Mayday, Mayday, anyone on this frequency. Home tower has fallen. Everything we've worked for, destroyed. San Francisco isn't safe anymore. Fellow survivors, friends, we need your help. It's hard to remember what life was like before. We ate in restaurants, went to the theater, wasted time on the internet, and then the virus. Nearly every human on the planet wiped out in less than a year. Those of us who survived wondered how lucky we really were. Life became war, famine, struggle. But something else happened. The apes. The virus made them smarter. They began to learn and speak, and they found a leader, Caesar. Away from the city, he led his apes in peace. But at our most desperate hour, he helped us. We might have made it. We might have lived together in peace. But hate and fear are powerful things. War broke out between apes and humans. Caesar and I tried our best to stop the fighting. All Caesar wants is to get his apes back to the woods, to be left alone. But he may not get that chance. An armed force is entering the city. They call themselves the Alpha and Omega, and they're coming to wipe out all of the apes. We've got to warn Caesar, and we need your help. We know the apes are nearby. Quickly, take the hovercraft and help me search the warehouses. Tell Caesar to get out before the invasion begins. Knock him out. Watch your backs and keep quiet. Any sign of Caesar? Quiet.
Apes showed mercy. Now you're here to finish us off.
Caesar, wait! These are friends. Caesar, they are not the enemy. Get out of here! Keep moving, the soldiers have found us. Go right, stay to the left and go through that garage. Clear! Already clean! Point ready!
Caesar hopes apes and humans will be friends. Now, let's begin.
We couldn't have done it without you, team. The old ranger station is up the road. It's rough, but it's home. Go get settled in. And thanks for your help.
Classes inside the book. 有拍照，你们知道吗？
是走在哪里？是什么？是走在哪里？哪里有？哪里？